You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. There are two different ways of pronouncing this name. It's either said as Josie with an S sound, or Josie with a Z sound. Yes, both pronunciations are correct and used depending on the language, maybe the region, or simply the individual, Josie or Josie. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.